Okay.
Egg. Yep.
Oh.
Which one do you want to start with?
Done.
This one?
Done.
Okay.
Oh no.
And nope, that's Flynn Rider.
Butter.
Okay, let's show.
Too far.
Okay. Which one next?
Done.
That one? Whoops.
But sorry. Nice.
All right, go ahead and take it out. Who is it?
3.
Oh, it's Thor's hammer.
Here's.
All right, which one next?
Done.
That one? Okay. Want help?
Help.
Okay. That one is a shelf.
Sauce.
Yeah, we'll put it together later.
Carrot.
Okay. We'll just set that to the side. Which one next?
Done.
Okay. Pull that. Pull it. Open. Right here.
So.
Star Wars.
So.
What is this one?
Done. Done.
Okay, well, we got one more. Hold on. Open this one. All right, open it up. What do we got?
Bite.
Oh, it's a lunchbox.
But.
Who's on it?
But.
Is that Minnie?
Me.
Okay, let's show. All right. Oh, leave that in there.
Peace.
Yeah, that's the shelf. Here.
Sauce.
I'm gonna open this one. You gonna help me?
Good. Wow. Done.
Hold on.
On.
Okay. Oops. You want to do that one first?
Sauce.
Yes.
Nuts.
Okay. What is it?
Butts.
A box. Star Wars. Oops. And it's the little spaceship thing. All right. Which one next?
Done.
That one. All right.
Nice.
What's the prize?
Soy.
Arrow, bow and arrow thing.
Ew.
Oh, that's the bow.
Boom.
All right.
Done.
That one.
Nay.
Who is it?
Present.
A princess.
Present.
All right. Which princess is this? This is Aurora.
Cars.
You gonna help me pick the next one to open? Jace, which egg?
Done.
Which one? This one. Sure. Okay.
Victors.
Who's that?
Victors.
Avengers?
Victors.
Let's see. Yep. That's Captain America. Good job. All right. You gonna open that one?
Done.
Here. Right here's the start. Go ahead. Open it. What is that?
Me.
Mickey
Eats.
All right.
Goes.
And you want to put the shelf together now?
Goes. Goes.
Okay. We'll put